So Marathon Digital is going to pay around $83.7 million to acquire Applied Digital's Bitcoin mining facility in Texas. This was announced on Friday, the 15th of March 2024. And in this session, that's the session of today, the 18th of March. The stock is up around just modestly up from that previous close, not up to a 1% gain. So this is what we have. This is its daily chart. We have a downward projection of 17.53, and the most downward projection is $7.23. Upper projection is $21. We have next one 23.7878. Next one is 25.74. Next is 27.83, 30.26, 34.19. Are we going to see all of these pan out? Let's see where Bitcoin is trading at right now. It seems Bitcoin has Marathon has lost its correlation to Bitcoin. 73,000 was the peak, and we have it's trading at 67,298. Okay, let's return to Mara and see what's going on there. So extrapolation is saying that it should be better than it shouldn't really be trading at that sort of price. It's indicating that it should be trading at $9.66. So I'm sure you might be alarmed at such a price, but we can actually look at other indicators and see what we have, what could possibly be, what the forecasts are. We just look at the extrapolation. It's bearish on Bitcoin Marathon. So let's look at the extrapolation of its moving averages. That will be its 10-day moving average. Now let's see. Is it this moving average? I think. Let's see. It might be this. It might be this. No, it's not. It's not it. Let's see. Let's move it and try another indicator. Let's look at another indicator. Let's see moving average prediction. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's the moving average prediction. So yes, if this makes you happy, look at this. It's saying by Tuesday, that is tomorrow, it should be at 21.13. By this is its moving average. I believe it's 20-day moving average. I want to believe. Let's see what's it's indicating. Is it 20-day or the 10-day moving average? Let's see. Let's see what it's indicating here. What we're looking at here. What is it we're looking at? I think it might be the 10-day moving average or 9-day moving average. Seems it's the 10-day moving average. Yes. So yes, it's saying tomorrow. Yes, it should be at 21.13. Next day it should be at 22.49, and next day it should be at 25.40, and then on Friday it should be at 28.64. Actually more than that, 28.98. And if these are the moving averages, and usually moving averages trade at a discount to the price itself. They're averages, so they usually in a lot of cases they're usually slightly at a discount. So and then it will cool off again on Tuesday the 26th. As a matter of fact, it will continue to spike up till Monday day. Or Monday, is it okay, yeah, let me see here. Tuesday the 26th. It seems Monday is a holiday in US. It seems there's no Monday there. We have Friday the 22nd. So arguably it should be 20. So there's no Monday there. So Tuesday day 28 it will cool off, and then back down again. Okay, this is Monday here. Okay, so Monday, okay, this is Monday. I missed. I just so we're seeing a cycle again. It's predicting another cycle we have here. So what looks like a cycle, I think, but it's its trough. Its trough wouldn't. It's forecasting will be a higher one, a higher low. So well, if this is enough to complete the cycle, then let's see. I guess not. It's not. We don't have enough length. With the length that we have here, it's not the same length we have here. So it's still probably still very much half of a cycle, if you like. So well, it's. I mean, if you thought the extrapolation was a bit too harsh, well, this moving average prediction will probably cheer you up. So let's quickly move on to SoundHound and see what's going on there. SoundHound, let's see. SOUN, let's see what's going on. SoundHound down 7.41%. What could have possibly gone wrong with SoundHound? Let's see here. SOUN. Let's see what could have possibly gone wrong. Okay, it has an upgrade from $7.5 to $9.5. It hasn't reached those prices at all. All of these happened today, but we don't. There's something else that is behind this retracement. Something else is behind this. Let's see. Nothing else. Nothing fantastic, nothing spectacular. We might be able to find something here on Trading View. SOUN. There might be some piece of news that implied volatility surging for SOUN stock options. Let's see. ZAX. Let's see what we have here. Investors in SoundHound need to pay close attention to the stock based on moves in options market lately. That is because the April 19, 2024 $30.5 call had some of the highest implied volatility of all equity options today. Implied volatility shows how much movement the market is expecting in the future. Options with high levels of implied volatility suggest that investors in the underlying stocks are expecting a big move in one direction or the other. It could also mean there is an event coming up soon that may cause a big rally or a huge sell-off. However, implied volatility is one piece of the puzzle when putting together an options trading strategy. Okay, maybe that's why we have this retracement we're looking at right now. It could be this implied volatility that something might happen. So this is its daily chart, and if anything, it's the projections are still very much the stock overran them, and it's just now slightly below the most upper projection of 8.43. So the stock has actually recovered from the lows of around $3 and some fraction around late February, not late February. This is almost a month ago, so. But in any case, we have downward projections all the way down to $6.65, and the prediction of its moving average is weakness all the way. So we have tomorrow prediction of 6.71. That will be really brutal, and Wednesday 6.19 for its 10-day moving average, and then it will even further decline by Monday the 25th. It's predicting that 10-day moving average is going to be down to around 3.94. Any chance that will be the case? Maybe not. 4.72 is the rebound target. Maybe we just have to look at maybe this daily chart is, if you like, not giving us the sort of vibes, if you like, we want to see. So we come to the 45-minute chart. A different picture is here. We have upper projections all the way towards 11.19, and the 10-period moving average is saying that by today, okay, all of these are just these are not what will happen. These are very short-term forecasts. So we have up to 9.24, and all of these are expected to happen even in the post-market session. and but it's predicting that this can happen. 7.32 for its 10 period moving average. Okay, so projections on the 45-minute chart go all the way towards 11.22. We have 9.39, just slightly above the one of its 10 period moving average predictions or forecasts. So let's look at the hourly chart. We might find something here. Let's look at the 2-hour chart. Let's see whether we can have a much more longer term forecasts. Weakness as well for this 10 period moving average, all the way down to 7.99 by tomorrow. Tomorrow, yes, at some point tomorrow. This is what is forecasted, 7.99, and then a rebound to 8.82. All of these are also tomorrow, the 19th, 8.82. Okay, let's projections go all the way towards 12.46. Below that we have 10.5. Do we have let's look at the 4-hour chart. You might find something here. On the 4-hour chart, it's pretty much like the daily chart. Weakness is projected, but projections go all the way towards 12.48. Below that 10.53. Below that we have 9.79. So let's quickly have a look at TLRY. TLRY, let's see. TLRY is let's see. TLRY, let's say this is its 4-hour chart. Let's look at its daily chart. We might see what's going on there. Might find the news behind this, all of these movements. So on this daily chart, we have strength is forecasted on its 10 period moving average. We have sideways movement up till that Wednesday the 20th, and then from Thursday to 21st we have 1.71, and the next day, Friday, we have 1.74. But the stock itself is currently trading at 1.92, and then on Tuesday the 26th we have 1.95. Well, if 1.95 comes in, then there's a good chance the price itself will maybe higher than that. So we have downward projection of 1.63. We have upper projection of 1.95. This is around where there's a Fibonacci. This Fibonacci projection also has a convergence with a 10 period moving average on 10-day moving average on this chart. So then above that we have 2.06, 2.17, 2.34, 2.55, and all the way towards its $3.12. Okay, let's see whether we can find any news. Okay. It says cannabis stocks rise following White House roundtable on marijuana reform. Okay. Okay, let's look at Tesla. Let's look at Tesla and see what's going on here. Okay, Tesla, if this makes you happy, then we have the 10 period moving average is forecasting strength all the way towards Monday the 25th. So progressively from tomorrow we have 181.11. The stock itself is trading at 104.11. Next one is 192.07 for Thursday the 21st, and we have 198 0.05 for Friday the 22nd, and then Monday the 25th we have what do we have? We have a convergence there. It is 206.02. That also turns out to be an upper projection, 206.02. Then by Tuesday we have a correction target of 190.08. So yes, as I pointed out, there's next upper projection 206.02. Then above that we have there's a gap, and then all the way towards 261.18. 261.18 was what was the sort of level it was trading at as of Friday as of late December of this year, late December of this year. Yeah, so okay, so but for now, EVs are becoming a challenge for EV makers, including Tesla. Tesla, as you know very well, is running ads with what it what it never really does. That tells you a lot that things are becoming really challenging. And but Tesla itself, I don't think it's for now, that I'm referencing people who probably have some insights. I would say some who we can rely on. I'm referencing them. So Tesla's future really is not really sufficiently on EV. Its future is not really. It's not really going to derive a lot from EVs in the coming in the long term, I would say. So it's going to be other things that it does. It's autonomous vehicles and all the other softwares it has, robotics and all that. So but in any case, yes, EVs electric vehicles is one of the things the company does. And yeah, maybe if you want to look at the future based on all the other things, all of its moonshots, the autonomous driving and the robotics, then maybe you can begin to make a case that the future is bright, but not very bright with just EVs alone. Not very bright at all. Okay. So let's quickly have a look at GOEV. Let's see, GOEV, yet another EV maker. Yeah, let's see, GOEV. Let's see what we have. Yeah, it's saying that it got a clearance from Oklahoma state or something like that. So we have upper projections all the way towards 9.79. Below that we have 7.47. But this daily chart wouldn't give you a clear picture of what we're looking at right now. Let's look at a 4-hour chart. We might get a more clear picture of what we are talking about here. So 10-period moving average is weakness is projected all the way down to tomorrow. Tomorrow 1.21 is what is projected, but a rebound is of 2.05 for Wednesday. But mind you, the stock itself is trading at $2.88. At some point it spiked all the way towards $3.44 in this session, and the most upper projection is 3.71. Yeah, so yes, some news out there, but EVs are in the very short time, they're not sounding like good news. They're not really sounding like good news. So see what you make of these stocks. Marathon, let's quickly recap and see where it is right now. MARA. Marathon is up 0.05, and let's look at SOUN, SoundHound. SoundHound is down 7.32%, probably due to its Implied volatility. It's April 19. I want to believe April 19 calls. Yes, it's indicating that something might happen. Something might happen. So investors are probably spooked at the moment. So let's look at TLRY. Let's see, TLRY is up 10.69%. And let's look at Tesla. Tesla is okay. TLRY rather, it's up at 10.69. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla up 6.25%. And let's look at GOEV. GOEV is up 52.07%. So have a look and see what you make of all of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.